Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Contracts! Good evening. Good evening, Contracts. Before we begin our interrogation, please say hi to our viewers and of course our media friends who've been waiting. One by one, Anthony?
Yes, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito and sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa live. And magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana po enjoy niyo kung gabi na ito.
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for coming tonight. Yes, like Anthony said, enjoy lang tayo tonight. Thank you so much for coming. We're so excited to bring you good news about the show. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at pasensya na medyo na-delay tayo ng konti. Okay lang, so isabay naman tayong dumating dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi at ayun po, it's gonna be a wonderful night.
Sir Jay?
Maraming salamat po sa pagdating at panonood pa rin ng Incognito.
Yes, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo kami dito sa mid-season MediaCon ng Incognito. We are very excited na ipakita sa inyo ang mga susunod na kabanata sa Incognito. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, good evening everybody. Thank you for making the time to be here tonight. Yeah, let's have fun and we can't wait to show you guys what else is in store for you all with Incognito. So thank you for being here.
Good evening everyone. I'm grateful to be with all of you here. Let's just enjoy this evening and have a great interaction with everybody here sa venue and sa mga nanonood live.
Thank you po. And hopefully, Ian po is coming very soon. He's actually nakaparachute po siya sa taas po siya ng building. Joke lang. Lapit na po siya dumating. So, mid-season, halfway through the season, you guys have been unstoppable. Grabe. From El Nido to Matera, Italy, to Baguio to Itugon. We're really excited where you guys are gonna be coming off soon. So, for everybody curious just like me, please watch this.
Dito kayo pupunta sa summit of Mount Talimba.
We'll be at the south entrance within an hour.
Let's go to the summit fast. Doon yung matatagpuan si Samir Patel. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, ayusin mo yung tindig mo! Itong baril! Pinuputok mo!
Approximately 250 meters. Hindi tayo pwede sa south, nandun ang mga kalaban. Kapag umikot pa tayo, aabutin tayo ng 3 oras sa daan.
You're God, Jimmy. Pera ko yan. Tayong pera ko! Tayong pera!
Paano ko pa mabubuo pamilya ko?
Ano bang nagawa mo, Bigay?
Nakapatay ako, Andres. Kaya mo tinanggihan ang kidnap for ransom na kontrata. Dahil ba naisip mo na hindi yun konektado sa kanya? Na hindi yun konektado kay Raven?
Okay lang din namin napanood yun. Wow. It was worth it. Worth it lahat ng hirap, pagod, lamig, init sa... We are very excited for everyone to see these episodes. And, we're very proud of our work and the hard work we've done. At sana ma-enjoy ko din.
Yes, thank you. Daniel?
Yeah, ito yung sinabi ni Chad. It was all worth it. Grabe. Yung sa Japan, sobrang lamig. Sa Itogon, sobrang init. Walang gitna. Pareho sa Rabat. Yan, nakita niyo naman kahit kami ngayon namin ang panood yun. Hanggang ngayon, proud pa rin ako kasama sa show na to. Thank you. Thank you.
While watching the trailer, parang nung mga times na shoot namin yun, hindi namin alam kung everyday laging pinapataas yung intensity ng action stunts, yung weather. And like while shooting that, lagi namin tanong na, kaya pa ba to? But everything, kapag napanood mo na, worth it talaga lahat, yung pagod and everything. Yeah.
And how about you, Anthony? Wala namang frostbite na nangyari.
Wala naman. Pero yung mga, yung bangs ni Kyla, iba-ibang weather na yung na-experience. Yung malamig na siya. Pero yun, sobrang worth it nung lahat. Kasi syempre, kita namin yung hirap at ginawa ng isa't isa sa amin kung paano namin ginagawa lahat. Like, may mga times na basa na yung mga paa namin, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami, di ba? Ayun,
Alam ba ang nabasa?
Pa ako lang yun. Pero yun nga, yung hirap at ginawa, parang sobrang sulit na. Okay siya. As in, like, nung una, nandun kami, parang, ay, pa to direct. May mga ganun questions. Pero nung naparoon na namin yung trailers, hindi ko in-expect na ganun talaga yung habulan sa jet ski, may mga ganun pa pala. So, yun, sobrang amazing na nakakatuwa. At sobrang nakaka-proud na parte pa rin ako ng show. Sana di ako mamatay na rin.
Ako yung Kyla?
Nag-survive naman yung bangs ko. Through everything. So, pero ibang challenge talaga when you experience working in such extreme weather conditions. But seeing the trailer, sobrang nakaka-proud. And tama yung sinabi nila, it really was worth it. First time nga namin talaga nakita yung trailer and even snippets of the scenes. Amazing lang. Sobrang nakaka-proud to be part of the show. And proud ako sa aming lahat kasi nagawa namin siya. And we're just so excited for all of you to see it. So yun lang. It's so fulfilling, I feel like, is the word.
We're also excited for everybody. Parang, do you have any insights? Kakapanood nyo lang na for the first time ang inyong mid-season trailer.
Excited ako to watch it. Kasi habang nasa Japan naman sila, mag-intercut siya dun sa pag-save ko dun sa family ko. So, exciting. So, makikita na punong-puno ng bakbakan sa Japan. And ganun din, kainit ang bakbakan sa Pilipinas.
Ayan. Another round of applause to our cast, please. The contracts, grabe. Louder, please. That was the very first trailer for the mid-season. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, so now, before we begin the Q&A, let's hear first from the contacts. I have a few questions. First to Richard. Where in Japan did you guys shoot this? And was there any reason why you guys chose and shoot in Japan?
We shot this this episode of Incognito in Yamagata, in Japan. Sobrang lamig dun sa lugar na yun. At talagang snow every day, non-stop rain, snowfall. If you're gonna ask me kung bakit to,
Yes, bakit?
well, hindi ko rin alam. Siguro pinili nila yung pinaka maraming snow na area because we really wanted to capture na ibang terrain na talagang all white. We wanted that all white feel and I think we got it and more. Every day talagang non-stop yung snowfall. Na-experience namin legit na snowstorm. legit na snowstorm. And, you know, hats off to our crew. Kasi yung crew namin, sobrang hirap din ang pinagdaanan nila, you know, managing all the equipment, you know, the cameras, the lenses, everything at the same time in that kind of weather condition. Talagang, it was challenging for everyone. Every day, we were tested every day. And, you know, we were able to do it as a group, as a unit. And, you know, after that, parang, you can take us anywhere. That's a type of experience that, after that, kahit saan niyo ako talin next.
Ay, grabe. Direct.
Biglang ikaw ko ng next.
Daniel, may question din ako. How was your experience shooting in Japan? Especially the fight scenes. Hindi ba kayo natumba, nag-slide, buo naman lahat ng buto?
Oo, hindi, kasama yun. Kasama yung madudulas. Hindi mo may iwasan eh. Talagang yelo yung tinatapakan mo. Natuklasan namin na meron parang nilalagay sa sapatos para di madulas. No, last day na. Di ba, Nat? Di, pero okay lang. Kasama yun kahit sa, di ba, pagka tuloy-tuloy yung action, kahit madulas ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Kasama yun. Kahit sa totoong buhay, nangyayari yun. Okay lang. Dahil yun ang nagpapatotoo dun sa action.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. So, we're still waiting for Sir Ian, and this is for Sir Jay. Nasa Skyway na po ba? Yes. Lumilipad na po. Lumilipad na po.
Sakto, solo yung bilis ako. Kasi si contractor dumarating pagka matapos.
Malapit na po. Lumilipad na po siya. Okay, this question, let's start the Q&A, guys. This question is for Sir Jay. Sa tinatakbo ng kwento ngayon, side missions ang ginagawa ng grupo. Pagdating ba ng mid-season, makikilala na ba namin si Elcano? And can you give us a little bit of a tease sa abangan ng viewers?
As we've seen in the episodes, in the teaser na pinakita ngayon, somehow related yung Japan mission contract dun sa plot namin ng Elcano. Somehow nakikita na din naman natin ng kaunti na babanggit-banggit na yung Elcano sa kwento. But I wouldn't want to give too much away about the plot of Elcano because that plot is going to affect the lives of everyone. So sobrang malaking kwento siya. So siguro as a teaser talagang sobrang important nun sa buong journey ng lahat ng buong team.
So abangan, kahit konti lang po, konting little hint.
Ayoko talagang magbigay kasi ayoko magbigay kasi maraming masasagot yung plot na yun sa pinagdadaanan nilang lahat.
Okay po, Sir Jay, thank you so much. And then this is for Richard again. What were some of the biggest challenges you faced while shooting an action sequence in Japan, especially winter? And how did the Incognito team adapt to it?
Like what I said kanina, every day was very challenging. Plus shooting the action sequences. You know, we just had to adapt. We had to survive, and we had to, you know, do our jobs the best way we can. Pero yun, mahirap talaga. Mahirap talaga yung weather conditions. Hindi nga, gaya na sabi ni Anthony, pag nabasa kasi yung kamay mo, yun na yun eh, like, you know, ang hirap na nun. So yung gloves, so we had to wear waterproof gloves, waterproof socks, shoes, and everything. So it was hard. Talagang, tapos siyempre yung light, you know, yung daylight, kailangan namin hinahabol lagi. A lot of challenging conditions, but you know, we were able to manage. I think we did a good job as a team.
How many weeks were you guys there?
Almost 2 weeks, I think.
Wow, it's super cold. Do you guys remember how cold it was? Negative?
-6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6, yeah.
Kulang pa, dapat like negative 15. Feels like negative 15.
Pero pag may wind gust,
wind chill. Yeah.
medyo malala siya.
Okay, thank you for that. For Baron, hindi madali ang character mo bilang Miguel Texo. How did you prepare for the scenes?
Well, we've been filming already for 6 months. So, blended na yung grupo namin. And nakabisado ko na rin si Miguel. So, what I do lang is, every time na may bagong week na script, binata ako, sorry. I just automatically transform into Miguel kasi it's very easy because si Miguel yung mga suot niya quirky, nakasalamin. So, nakakadala yung outfit. Plus, of course, yung story. So, I just want to say that, I'm very, very grateful to my co-stars, the cast, the crew, our directors for guiding me and for keeping me grounded also. Nakakatuwa na part ako ng Incognito. Sobrang happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Baron. Okay, Danielle, how does it feel to be in your action star era? Ano ang pinakagusto mo sa pinagagawa niyo ng action? And ano naman ang pinaka-challenging for you?
Action star. And then, this genre is new to me. And na-enjoy ko lang yung genre na to. Wala naman akong gusto i-label na action star ako. Wala. It's just a role also, nagustuhan ko tong genre na to dahil ang dami ko natututunan sa sarili ko. Ang dami ko natututunan sa sarili ko. Nasusubukan ko yung sarili ko. Minsan hindi ko alam na kung kaya ko pa. At sinasagat ko yung sarili ko. Tapos pag nagawa ko yun siguro kaya ko pala yun. Alam mo yun? Medyo, mas nandun siya nakikilala ko yung sarili ko. And I enjoy it. I enjoy the action, di ba? Mas very physical.
Nasa dugo mo rin, di ba? Ano ang sabi mo doon?
Siguro sinanay ako ng nanay ko sa action, bata ako. Sinanay niya ako umilag. Hindi ko namin din. Siguro sa tulong din ng director namin, ito ng mga kasamahan ko rito, nila Chard. At siyempre sa gabay din ng mga magulang ko at ng mga uncle ko, natututo ng konti.
Thank you, Daniel. Okay, Anthony, my question is, sa rami na ng pinagdaanan nyo ng cast, sa iba't ibang mission ninyo, ano yung pinaka-memorable for you?
Memorable? Marami kasi parang halos lahat naman kasi memorable for you. Pero siguro yung hindi kasi sa Japan wala sa Kuya Bars So Italy for me siguro. Kasi kami pinaka-complete. Ito, God. Okay na ako? Yung mga memories ko doon, iba pero siguro na-enjoy ko yung Italy namin. Kasi kung mas kompleto kami doon, buo yung doon. Tsaka doon niya ako, binigyan niya ako ng core memory doon.
Peklat ako na
binigyan niya ako ng peklat sa tuhod.
May scar ka to memory.
Diba? Please. Stick there. Pero yan, so far, Italy, tsaka yung Palawan.
Palawan, of course. Okay, for Kyla, kahit na action ang serye, hindi makakalampas na siniship ang character mo sa characters ni Richard and Daniel. Ano sa tingin mo ang characteristics ng dalawang leading men na pwedeng ma-fall si Max?
Si Max kasi, I think Max is a very compassionate character, but she also is very morally strong. So she always makes it an effort to do the right thing. And I feel like, parang perfect balance siya ng heart and head. So I feel like, si JB kasi, mas siya yung logical, and he also is the one that leads the team pag wala si contractor. So I feel like that's something similar that Max has with JB. And si Andres naman, yung decisions niya are motivated by emotions. And very compassionate din ang character ni Andres. So I feel like yun din ang similarity ni Max kay Andres. So I feel like if I were to think about those things that they have in common, siguro yun yung magpo-form ng mas strong na bond with Max and JB or Max and Andres.
Actually, marami nanonood na young girls and actually really love your character. Do you have anything to give advice to the young girls who aspire to be a Max someday?
Sila magpabangs.
Other than magpabangs.
Aside
proud of also here in Cognito is both Gab and Max's characters are very strong and empowered women, are very independent, na talagang makikita mo throughout the show na they're equally as skilled as the male characters. And that's something that I really, really am happy about. So I feel like, hopefully, I hope, diba, seeing Max and Gab's characters, I hope, inspires young girls to have that same, or to feel empowered and to be inspired, to be independent and to be go-getters and to go for what you want and to have that fearlessness about Max and Gab. So siguro yun lang. I feel like it's about being fearless as well, being brave, and owning and embracing that independence.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. Okay, my next is for another lady, the contracts, Clarice. Every time you have a scene with Joel Torre, sobrang nagtitrending because the netizens are really happy of your Ilonggo accent. Kahit Bisaya ka, di ba? You're from Davao. How was it doing a scene with Joel and preparing for some Hiligaynon dialects? Was it hard for you?
You know what, I remember that day, when shooting teleseries, you get so many surprises first thing in the morning, you know? So, going to the set, I was already very nervous, you know? I'm gonna do scenes with Sir Joel Torre, who I look up to also sa acting. And then, nasa set kaming dalawa, nasa standby area. And then biglang pumasok si Direk. Okay, so Gab, Ilonggo ka dito Sabi ko, Direk! So, surprise yun lahat. And then sabi ko lang, thank God, Bisaya ako. Kasi we have so many common words, Hiligaynon and Ilonggo and Bisaya. Thank you, Lord, Bisaya ako. And then, ang kailangan ko lang aralan is yung tono. And thankfully, Sir Joel Torre taught me a lot of Ilonggo words. Si Anthony Ilonggo actually, and then his kuya was there also. Kami talaga, there were even lines na hindi Ilonggo. Sabi ko, hindi, itodo natin to. So, nagpaturo ako, i-translate mo nga to. Ganyan.
Sige, example. In Bisaya and then in Ilonggo.
Unsa man, like Bisaya. Bisaya ko ka, diba?
Bisaya mo ko. Invite mo ang mga audience in Ilonggo.
Tibuga, Hindi mo lang marunong mag-Ilonggo. To, ano lang Pero, sa mga kapamilya dyan,
Tagalog mo na lang but with the Ilonggo accent.
may kapamilya. Hindi, man ako panoorin niyo yung dito kasi marami pa kaming away dun Sir Joel Torre. Pero mahal ko talaga yung tao na yun. Kahit masama siya. I mean, yung character niya.
Tatay mo siya
Tatay ko siya Pero, yun lang yung alam ko talaga. Te, ama na.
Okay na. O diba palakpakan naman po natin. Not only are they interested in their acting skills, they learn different dialects as well. Thank you, Grace. And this is for Sir Jay. My question. Ang raming hula at palaisipan sa nanonood tungkol sa katauhan ni June. At meron pa mga rumor na naririnig na magkapatid daw ang karakter ni Daniel at Anthony. Totoo po ba ito? Can you give us a little bit of the truth?
We're very happy as a creative team, as the creators and the director, everybody. We're very happy that the audiences are engaged, not just in the action scenes or the contracts or the job missions, but in each and everyone's personal journeys. And as we've seen, yung paghahanap ni Andres sa kapatid niya, isa yung sa pinaka-importanting arc talaga ng palabas. So we are very happy that the audiences are engaged in his quest for his brother. So I wouldn't want to spoil anything about his.
Hindi talaga siya sasabi.
Pero as in we've seen in the trailer that that there is a major step in Andres' journey, search for his brother that he will encounter in Japan. So let's just wait what happens during that moment and the true identity of June.
Thank you, Sir Jay. Kailangan tayo manood, guys. Abangan natin kasi ayaw magsalita ng ating creative manager. Okay, Daniel, my question is, how has the camaraderie evolved between the cast, and has this opened your interest to do more projects like this in the future?
Wala, iba na yung ano namin eh. Iba na yung samahan namin lahat. Sabi nga ni Chad, we're a unit. Totoo yun. Kahit saan kami dalhin, basta magkakasama, okay ka. At saka magtutulungan talaga. Totoo yun. On and off sa set yun. Kasi kahit nasa set kami, hindi rin siya madali eh. Magpapunta sa set, wala sa set, papunta pa lang, pagod ka na, ganun kami. So kami yung nagbibigay ng siguro ng lakas ng loob sa isa't isa. Ng kapatid.
Would you say brotherhood na to?
Oo, kasi
Kapatiran?
lalo na sa, totoo yun. Tsaka sa mga eksena namin hindi rin madadali. Kami rin ang nagtutulungan talaga.
I'm sure sa weather doon sa Japan, kayo din na ilinis ng sipon ninyo.
Mismo, tumatulo na yung uho mo. Tapos, ano yung isang tanong mo, madam?
Gusto mo ba na more projects na ganito? With your team?
Yeah, syempre. Kahit ulit, kahit mag-season 2 pa kami, walang problema. Agad-agad, wait lang. Tapusin muna namin ito, tapos pakinggan mo na.
Okay, for Richard again. Of many tasks you've made to do, what do you consider mission impossible and why?
Ano yun, sorry?
Sa lahat ng mga mission na nagawa ninyo, what do you consider mission impossible and why?
Mission Impossible. You mean sa show? Or like,
It's up to you how you want to answer.
well, ako, Mission Impossible. I think a mission is only impossible if you're doing it alone. But if you're with a team, with a unit, anything is possible. So, yun sa akin.
Wonderfully said. Palakpakan naman po natin, everyone. Okay, I have one last question for tonight. For everybody. Ano yung pakiramdam nyo na almost 4 months din yung umi-ere ay patuloy na kinakapitan ng maraming nanonood sa serye? Hindi siya nawawala sa most watched top 10 ng Netflix and I Want TFC. Ano yung masasabi nyo? Isa-isa, please. Anthony?
Ako sobrang grateful lang ako na yung parte pa rin ako ng napakagandang show na ito. Yun nga, medyo matagal na kayo nag-shoot, tapos parang nararamdaman ko na medyo patapos na kayo. Medyo iba na yung pakiramdam eh. Nandun na yung medyo parang malulungkot ka na. Parang kailangan ko sila makita palagi eh. Alam mo yun, pakiramdam na parang feeling ko. Every time na magsusuot ako ng uniform, yung contractualista, feeling ko superhero kami, ganun pakiramdam eh. Tapos parang feeling ko, medyo matagal-tagal kong hindi mararamdaman ulit yun. So medyo, syempre, nakakalungkot. Pero at the same time, happy ako kasi syempre, love na love ng mga tao yung characters namin individually. And then, na-enjoy nila yung mga ginagawa namin. And then, sana, sabi ni Daniel, sana magkaroon pa ng season 2 para marami pa kaming pwedeng ibigay.
Iba siya sa universe para marinig.
Oo, yeah. So maraming salamat syempre sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sa mga sumusuporta natin. Sana magpatuloy pa rin ang support. Mahalin yung show natin. Maraming salamat.
Anything to say to our viewers for making you guys one of the most watched shows in Netflix and I Want TFC?
Yeah, ano na kami, mid-season na kami. So, the fact na dami pa rin sumusuporta, sumusubaybay sa show namin, we're all very, very grateful. And ako, marami-rami na din akong nagawa sa career ko, but this one talaga is one of the most challenging ones. Kasi physically demanding siya, emotionally demanding siya, and dagdag mo pa yung extreme weather conditions na minsan imposible. But with the support ng kapamilya, sobrang grateful kami. And natutuwa kami, na-inspire kami kasi sinusuportahan kami lahat, and halos lahat. Merong, alam mo yun, kapag nanonood yung mga tao, si Max ako, si Gab ako, si Andres ako, ganyan. Nakaka-relate sila sa mga struggles namin. the heart, it's what keeps you watching. Kasi yun yung passion ng character, yun yung passion ng story, and sinusundan nila yung puso ng story. And we're very, very grateful. Grateful din ako sa lahat ng mga tao sa likod ng camera, ng camera, kasi grabe din kung nahihirapan kami sa kanila 10 times. So, sobrang mahal namin sila, sobrang mahal namin itong team na yung dito. Kaya, yeah. Thank you for all the support.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating to our viewers for making you guys the most watched show in Netflix and in Taiwan. Yes.
Siyempre po nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng kilig ng dito simula nung nag-umpisa po kami hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po at sana abangan ninyo itong napanood natin lahat na trailer. Talagang lugod pa ako sa ito. Itong binigay mo namin dito at sigurado po kami na magugustuhan nyo mga eksena namin sa Itogo, lalo na po sa Japan. At yun, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal.
Thank you, Daniel. Richard?
Yes, gusto kong pasalamat syempre sa audience natin. Thank you for all the love and support sa Incognito. We're very grateful na na-enjoy ninyo yung palabas namin. And I also wanna congratulate and thank the entire team of Incognito for the job well done. You know, the job's not finished, but all the hard work is paying off. All the hard work is worth it. Coming into this project, we knew that it's not going to be easy doing an action series, you know, all over the place, all over the world. But we are able to manage everything, and we have a good show on our hands. I would also like to thank the Netflix team, of course, dahil I consider this as one of my legacy projects. Sa dami-dami ng ginawa ko, this is definitely top 3, I think, of what I've done in my career. I think Netflix was able to give us a broader audience. Maraming mga eyeballs ngayon ang naka-engage sa Incognito na hindi nanonood before ng local channels, and now they're watching on Netflix. So thank you for Netflix, for the platform, for the opportunity, and of course to ABS-CBN.
I just want to say thank you din. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusubaybay sa Incognito. Like I said earlier, we're all very, very proud of the work that we've done here. And it's all thanks to, of course, my co-stars, the production, our directors. Lahat, inalagaan po talaga namin yung show na to at yung mga characters namin. And sobrang fulfilling para sa amin na pinapanood ninyo at minamahal nyo rin kami at yung show namin. So thank you. I really have nothing else to say but thank you. Thank you so much. And marami pa kayong aabangan. So na sobrang exciting. Kaya I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well.
Thank you, Kyla. Baron?
Likewise, very grateful. Likewise, very grateful talaga to be part of this show. Grateful ako sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, especially kay Greg Leslie. And of course, sa mga writers namin, people behind the scenes. Yeah, and maraming salamat din sa mga viewers na kumapit sa bawat character namin dito at minamahal kami at sinusuportahan kami. So, gaya ng sinabi ng lahat, parang mukhang gusto ng mga tao na magkaroon ng book 2 or season 2 para lumawak ang Incognito universe, diba? So, God willing matuloy, well, it all depends to, you know, our showrunner, ABS-CBN, but let's hope and pray na marami tayong journey na makakasama kayong lahat. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Baron. And sana ibang kapatid talaga. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our contractor.
Team,
Good
job, team.
Finally.
Good job.
gustuhin kayo. Kaya maraming salamat. And I hope you're all excited for this Japan, the Japan parts. And thank you.
Talagang sa last question ka talaga ko na.
Siyempre.
May question pa kami. May pahabol na question for you, Sir Ian. Your character as Contractor is still very much a mystery to the audience. Hindi ba mahirap yung i-portray yung ganong klaseng mysterious character?
Actually, it's also a mystery to me. No, really, because the character evolves. As it evolves, I'm also in the process of discovering dahan-dahan mo lang nakikita yun as an actor, yung past na yung mga. And it's a journey to not just self-discovery, but also to discover it. Yun.
Ang creative.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I just asked everybody kung ano yung pakiramdam ninyo na 4 months na kayong umiere. Ay top 10, palaging kayong most watched Netflix and I Want TFC. Ano yung masasabi mo sa audience as a thank you?
Ako lagi lahat ng makausap ko na, na sinusubaybayan nila, nagka-thank you ako sa kanila kasi nga hindi namin expected na gano'ng maganda yung magiging resulta. And lahat ng mga hindi pa nahuhook, sinasabi ko na, kung ayaw nyo maubos sa oras nyo, huwag nyo na simulan. Kasi mahuhook talaga kayo. When you see, like 3 to 4 episodes, wala na, hindi nyo mabibitawan. So,
Episode 59 actually is showing right now, so you guys watch after. Thank you, Sir.
Thank you.
Before we wrap this up, I actually want to ask Sir Jay to share your thank you to our audience. Siyempre talaga, most watched tayo. Ano po yung magiging message mo sa ating taong bahay, ang ating mga manonood?
Maraming salamat po. Kagaya po na sinabi ng buong grupo na hanggang ngayon ay sinusubaybayan nyo. And we're just actually midway. So the contract is not yet over. So talagang we're just very happy. And when we started the program, we set out into we gave ourselves one big job order, which was to elevate Philippine action and also to give something that we can all be proud of, not just the entire team, but the audiences, that the Filipino can do something like this. And it's a tall order for everybody. Kaya we're still getting there. We're just in the midpoint of the entire project. So we're looking forward to more. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman po natin, guys! Sir Jay, may season 2 po ba?
Meron. Ayoko po muna mag-spoil ng marami.
Sir Jay, ayaw talaga magsalita. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Jay. And I would like to say thank you, everybody, especially to the ones who are watching online. Who are watching actually live ngayon, guys. And Contracts, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much to our media friends. And before that, we'd like to invite everybody to please, we are going to have a photo. Sir Jay, please join them. Picture na po. The contract.
Wala nga siya. Shock na siya. Tapos, pinapos.